Have you ever imagined public services that just feel truly effortless for citizens? More efficient, more responsive, and ones that genuinely build trust? Well, today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence might be the key, specifically generative AI, how it could make that kind of vision a reality.
Yeah, in our deep dive today, it's really rooted in some compelling research. It comes from Stephen Goldsmith and Juncheng Yang. They're at Harvard Kennedy School. Their paper, AI and the Transformation of Accountability and Discretion in Urban Governance, it sort of gives us a great way to think about this.
Okay, great. So our mission here, especially for you listening as a public servant, is to unpack this. How can this technology actually support the vital work you do? Enhance that human judgment, that discretion, boost accountability, and, really make a tangible difference for Canadian citizens.
And that's where it gets really interesting, right? The research, it definitely highlights AI's huge potential, improving governance, increasing the value of city programs. But it also tackles this fundamental tension. How can AI support human discretion? That crucial, nuanced judgment you apply in unique situations, while also enhancing accountability, not sacrificing it. That's the tricky part.
Yeah, that balance seems key.
Exactly. And what's fascinating is the researchers don't just see AI replacing humans, not at all. They propose what they call a balanced human-AI partnership.
A partnership. Okay, tell me more about that, like generative AI.
Yeah, think generative AI. So AI that can create new content, right? Drafting initial reports, maybe summarizing complex citizen feedback. When the AI handles those routine, data-heavy tasks, well, it frees up public servants.
Okay, so you can focus your expertise on the more complex problems.
Precisely. Where that human judgment, that discretion really matters most.
So it's not just called automation then. It's more like a shift in how we work in public service.
It's a fundamental shift. The paper really digs into how this partnership helps balance those trade-offs. You know the ones. Giving public servants flexibility versus ensuring they're accountable.
That age-old challenge.
Right. So imagine AI sifting through thousands of permits, maybe flagging anomalies, which then allows you to focus your attention quickly on the few that really need your discretionary review. That improves service for Canadians.
I can see that. Better focus, faster response.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this partnership reshapes accountability itself. Different kinds of accountability.
Like?
Well, political accountability, elected officials answering to the public. Then there's professional accountability, civil servants and their standards. And even participatory accountability, where citizens get a direct say. AI changes the game for all three.
How so? Give me an example.
Okay, well, AI tools could, say, transform how supervision works, making it much more data-driven. Better oversight based on actual data patterns, not just spot checks.
Data-driven oversight. That's powerful. And I guess if you combine that with being really transparent about how the AI is used.
You got it. That combination, enhanced supervision plus transparency, becomes crucial for public trust.
Okay, but let's bring it down to the ground level.
Yeah.
How does this translate into, everyday operations for a public servant?
Well, the research suggests that AI-trained government employees will be able to use data much more frequently and more effectively, guiding their service delivery day to day.
So it's not just faster processing.
No, it's about having real-time insights. Imagine someone working in social services. Instead of digging through files, they get an AI-summarized overview of a citizen's needs instantly.
Wow, okay. That saves time.
A lot of time. And this increased data use, it directly improves responsiveness. It helps build that essential trust with citizens, making services feel more accessible, more helpful for Canadians.
Right. So summarizing this a bit for everyone listening, what does this really mean for you in your role? It sounds like it means thinking about how this balanced human-AI partnership could genuinely empower you, help you use data more often to guide what you do, improve how responsive you are, and build trust.
Exactly. And it also means thinking about transparency, being open about AI systems. Combine that with better data-informed supervision that really upholds public trust.
Makes sense.
And connecting it back to the bigger picture, for Canada specifically, it's about using AI ethically, reshaping political, professional, participatory accountability, all leading to public services that are, yes, more efficient and responsive, but also crucially deeply trusted by citizens.
Okay, so that leads us with a really important question for you to think about.
Yeah.
In your specific role as a public servant, what's maybe one area, just one specific area where embracing this idea, this balanced human-AI partnership could help you build even greater trust and deliver more effectively for the people you serve, something to mull over?